In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wrike on Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll be able to open Wrike directly inside Teams and streamline your work without constantly switching between apps. First, start by opening your Wrike Workspace in your browser and navigating to the specific space or folder where you usually manage your work. In this example, we're going to a workspace area often referred to as a central or super space, but it can be any space you have access to. Make sure you're logged in with the account you want to connect to Microsoft Teams. Once your Wrike workspace is open, look toward the main navigation area at the top or on the side of the screen. You'll see several options and icons there. Find the highlighted option that opens the settings or tools related to your workspace. Go ahead and click on that highlighted area. This will reveal more options related to how Wrike connects with other tools. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Apps and Integrations. This is where Wrike keeps all the connections to external tools like Microsoft Teams. Click on Apps and Integrations to open the Integrations gallery. You should now see a page listing different apps that Wrike can connect to. At the top of this gallery, there will be filters or categories to help you find the right integration. Look for the filter that says All Plans and click on it. This ensures that you're seeing all the integrations that are available for your subscription, including Microsoft Teams. Once the list updates, scroll through or use the search bar if it's available and locate the integration for Microsoft Teams. When you find the Teams integration, you'll see a button labeled Go to App. Click on Go to App. Wrike will then redirect you to the Microsoft Teams app page for the Wrike integration. On the Microsoft Teams side, you'll see an option to add the app to Teams. Click the Add button. If you're using the desktop version of Teams, it may open directly there. If not, it might prompt you to open Microsoft Teams in your browser or app. Follow the prompt, and once it's installed, Wrike will appear inside Teams as an app. From here, you can open Wrike within Microsoft Teams, pin it to your sidebar, and start using your Wrike tasks and projects right alongside your chats and channels. That's all you need to add Wrike to Microsoft Teams.